Superlative adjectives. We use superlative adjectives when a person or thing excels in something more than others. For example, he is the funniest guy in my grade. To construct it, we add est at the end of the adjective, like this. Cute, cutest. Quick, quickest. But if the adjective ends in y, we change the final letter to the letter I. Then add the suffix est. For example, funny, funniest. Dry, driest. If the word ends in a mix of consonant, vocal, consonant, duplicate the last consonant before adding the suffix. For example, big, biggest. Hot, hottest. Learn more about adjectives by following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
GCF Aprende Libre, creando oportunidades para una vida mejor.